Abahandiiki aba babigambiro babiri nibabugana hari Kabale University okutema empendo kuba kubasa kukora omwuga gwabo kurungi.
Nyowe agaruhanga kurugana ntariga kuhandika tineki nagobiremu adhani kugira ngu wahadika article notunga satisfaction abo kwa wari yashohora ni wagishobora ora washemera kunga cyo kugira ngu financial o musente mazima garuhanga tineki nagobiremu ahobwe nyoni yembire ndi kutekamo nkaguza obunumi bwanje bwampwaho ndi kuronda esente zo publishing abo hano makore kuza kuteka article baza kujipublishing ni bakucharginga.
These days increasingly I see the students have peer-to-peer WhatsApp groups where they share scans, PDFs of books that maybe one student went to the library and scanned. So you are both a creator and a user.
Professor Yaashaba okuruga Makerere University Council Chairperson wa the Uganda Textbooks Academics and Non-Fiction Authors Association nashaba Gavumenti okubahwera bakaganyirwa omwuga gwabo.
Abaana mu university nibenda kushoma kandi abantu bariyende bahandika hadi reka tukora abantu tu encouraging abantu bahandike konko myanya y'abantu bakozesa information y'abakwandika ba tuteho embera yo kurebuka ngo bashashurira eyembera y'abantu bakufunira mwe information ejo in advance ni yasho kareho ninga omumiringo etakwetaga sente nyingi.
Jackson Rutunda Ronald okuruga mu kitongole kya Uganda Registration Services Bureau nagira ngo abantu bari kuyiya kurunubegito mu kibina bakahandikisa kitongole cyabo kikabire nikibahwera mu kurinde barokoro bitakoresebwa kubi.
Bannabitone bayina eteeka dikkiriza ebibiina nga we nagambe ebibiina okuvaayo okay ne ebibiina byabo bannabitone katweze ngo aba music ni bajja nga bali together aba film nga bali together nabe bitabu nga bali together ebine obijja ku ewaffe no office biweebwa license okay ogenda okusobola okukolera awamu okusobola okutambuza emirimu gy'abantu bano n'okufuna sente ezo n'okubeera nga baziddiza abantu kati ffe tugamba nti bannabitone benyigire nnyo mu bibiina bino. Okay, kubanga baga nti no agali awamu gegali ennyama.
Abakubarugire Kabale bizira mu Rembo Mbarara omurutayo rwabo muri Ankore hamwe na Kigezi kandi bakira hari Bishop Stewart University ahibabwina bembezi bitendekero hamwe nabeji
abakore ibintu by'obwenge ibakora isobonko bwabo n'obwenge bwabo kugira ngo barabikore bihandikwe je bitebekanisa ubweje umuntu ndi joraze kubikoresa agire ki yabashashura ngwenu nubahikanisa aba bakubishohoza publishers ababikozire authors kandi hamwe n'abakuza kubikoresa users downloaders kugira ngo baza kubikoresa bagume bagire kibashashura bariya abatire mu bwenge bwabo ubwire bwabo esente zabo okubitaho.
Because we recently got a new law, the Copyright and Neighboring Rights Amendment Law to 2026. That law has strengthened our position as a collecting society for literary works to do much more than what we have been doing for writers and publishers. We have this program is targeting all universities in Uganda. Will be at most of the universities training writers, researchers and scholars, as well as meeting administrators, vice chancellors and so on to speak to them about the issue of compliance with the law.
Erizoba basiba hari Mbarara University of Science and Technology kandi nibenda kuzashema hari Ankore Western University omu kiganiro cyabe cya copyright gashakwa Nelson Ayimbisubwe na Anita Tukunda.